famous trumpet man from Chicago way. He had a boogie style no one else could play. He was a top man at his craft. But then his number came up and he was gone with the draft. He's in the army now, a glowing reveille. He's the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy of Company B. They made him blow a bugle for his Uncle Sam. It really brought him down because he couldn't jam. The captain seemed to understand, because the next day the cat went out and drafted the band. And now the company jumps when he plays reveille. He's the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy of Company B. A toot, a toot, a toot, toot, a toot, toot.
So hello everyone, my name's Sandy. I'm here to teach you a dance, and you've just been watching me do the dance that I'm going to teach you to this fantastic tune called the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy of Company B, and this one is by the world famous Andrews Sisters, and it's such a lovely, lively, happy tune. So I hope you're going to join in. Go and grab members of the family or anyone that's with you in isolation in lockdown, bring them together so you can all see me, and we're going to learn this together. So everything I do on this side is going to be your right side, okay? So everyone's going to work on the same side. And the way this little routine fits together, it's really easy by the way, so everyone can do it. The way it works is that I'm going to show you two moves, which are basically the chorus, and then, sorry, the verse, and then the next bit will be the chorus. And then I'm going to show you two more moves, and which are like verses if you're singing, and then it's going to be the chorus. So it's really easy, very, very straightforward, and in no time at all we're going to be able to dance together all the way through this tune. So are you ready for the first move? Great, here we go. So using your right foot, you're going to put your right toe up and then put your right heel down, and then repeat on the other side. So you get these heel lifts, which is a kind of march. So we're trying to keep in theme with VE Day. And with the arms, you're going to swing your arms, but because we're celebrating victory in Europe, we're going to use our thumbs, give it a thumbs up to give it a bit more of a quirky feel. How's that feeling? Is that okay? So that's our first move, and we do two lots of 8 beats like this. But don't worry about that, I'll count us in and count us out and tell you what to do. Okay, so that's our first move, easy. The next move is, I'm going to call it the heels, okay, because that's what we're using our heels. So if you go up onto your right heel and up onto your left heel and then down again, but quite quickly so you don't have to worry about balance. Right, left, down and down, right, left, down again. And if you want to use your arms like this, that kind of adds to the style and helps you balance as well. But we're going to do a hesitation. So we're going to go up and down and up and hold, and then go down and up and down and hold and stand to attention. Okay? So there are our first two moves. Should we do the music? Good idea. Here we go. Ready? Remember, it's the marching first. Ready? Here we go.
He was a famous trumpet man from Chicago way. He had a boogie style no one else
Now the
could play.
heels.
He was a top man at his
Hold it.
craft. But then his number came up and he was gone with the
Hold it.
draft. He's in the army
Okay.
now, a glowing reveille. He's the Boogie Woogie.
I told you it was easy, didn't I? Right, so we've done our first verses, okay? So now it's time for the chorus, and this is the bit that repeats. And for this bit, we're going to do a salute, like this, but not for long, because with a little bit of a wiggle in the hips, we're going to use a jazz hand to bring the salute down. And this is my favourite bit. This is the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy of Company B. So we're going to pretend we're playing a bugle and do what we call heel digs, like this. And if you can give your body a bit of a swagger as you're doing it and lift your elbows up, then all the better. I bet you look really cool. So let's just do those two things. So it starts with a salute, and as we wiggle, we use the jazz hand to bring the salute down, and then we go into Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy accompanied beat. Okay, let's try that a whole section. That's the whole of section 1 already. Easy, here we go. Are you ready? Marching first. Ready? Here we go.
He was a famous trumpet player, march a couple way.
Another
He
ring.
had a boogie style, no one
Now the
else
heels.
could play.
Here we
He
go.
was a top man at his
Hold
craft.
it.
But then his number came up and he was gone with the draft.
Salute.
He's in the army now, a blowing reveille.
And
He's the
the
Boogie
Boogie.
Woogie Bugle Boy of Company B.
How did you get on? Okay. Should we do it again? Yeah, let's do it again. Hang on a minute. So it's the marching, then the heels, and then that bit. Ready? Right side, here we go. On there. Now the heels.
You can't blow a note unless the bass and guitar is playing rhythm. He makes the company jump when he plays reveille. He's the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy of Company B.
How you doing? Well done. Brilliant.
Company B.
Fantastic. So, next section. The next section runs in the same way that we have 2 moves, and then we have our chorus, which is the salute and the bugle. So the first of the 2 moves, which is new to this section, is a box cross. It's not actually a box step, a little bit like we did the heels, because we're going to cross over. So if you put your right foot forward and then cross over with your left and then go back with your right and then to the side with your left, you get this crossover step. Now some of you will remember this from Tiger Feet. That's right, that's right, that's right. You remember that? Yeah, that's the one. Well done. So it's a great step. You'll enjoy fitting it into this routine. So that's the first one. And the second one is the rocks. And the reason they're called the rocks is because they rock. So you're going to rock to the right first. So you're going to step on your right foot and sort of ease down into your right foot and absorb that and throw your right elbow up as you do that. So it'll be a rock and rock and rock, but when you get to here, you're going to clap over your shoulder, clap, clap, like this, and then you're going to do the same to the left side. A rock, rock, a rock, clap, clap. Should we try that again? The rocks, here we go, and a rock, a rock, a rock, clap, and a rock, a rock, a rock, clap, clap. Okay, let's add the box cross to the rocks. Here we go, starting on the right side. And step, cross, back, back once more, step, cross, back. Now the rocks, and rock, 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 clap, clap, and rock, 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 clap, clap. How's that? Brilliant, well done. So, we've got our two verses for this one, and now we're back to the chorus, which is standing to attention, salute with the jazz hand and the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy of Company B. Okay, let's just run that routine. Okay, just that one. Here we go.
And when he plays Boogie Woogie Bugle, he was busy as a blues bee. And when he plays, he makes the company jump into the bar.
So we're going to start with the box cross on the right side. Here we go. Now the rocks, and other side, back to the top, salute. How'd it go? Alright? Let's do it once more for practice. Okay, it starts with that cross box. Ready on the right, and the rocks. Salute.
Because they know how he plays when someone gives him a beat. He really
How's that?
when he plays
Okay.
he's the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy of Company.
Now all we need to do is put them together, that first routine and the second routine. Can anyone remember what we started with? Yes, it was those marching steps, wasn't it? The toe heels, do you remember? Let's do it to a count first and then we're ready to run the whole thing from start to finish. Ready? So starting on your right, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what's next? It's the heels. I nearly forgot then. Hold and down. And then stand to attention, salute. Wiggle that hand with the jazz hands and the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy company beat. So this is the second routine and it's the box cross. And then we go into the rocks. Ready? And rock, 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 clap, clap. Other side, rock, 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 clap, clap. Salute. Jazz hand as you wiggle and the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy company beat. There you have it. Right, so you're ready to go through all the way from start to finish, all the way through the track. I think we run it all 3 times, so it just repeats. Okay? Remember it starts with the marches. Good luck, everyone. Here we go.
He was a famous trumpet man from our Chicago way. He had a boogie style no one else could play. He was a top man at his craft. But then his number came up and he was gone with the draft. He's in the army now, a blowing reveille. He's the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy company. They made him blow a bugle for his Uncle Sam. It really brought him down because it couldn't jam. The captain seemed to understand. Because the next day the cat went out and drafted the band. And now the company jumps when he plays reveille. He's the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy company. A toot, a toot, a toot, a toot, he blows it into the bar. It will give rhythm. You can't blow a note unless the bass guitar is playing with them. He makes the company jump when he plays reveille. He's the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy company B. He goes on, Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy company B.
Now the rocks, ready?
And when he plays Boogie Woogie Bugle, he was busy as a bee. And when he plays, he makes the company jump into the bar. He's a Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy company B. He blows it into the bar.
Heels, ready?
He can't blow a note if the bass and guitar isn't with him. The company jumps when he plays reveille. He's a Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy company B.
Box cross. Now the rocks. Here we go. Marching.
Puts the boys to sleep with
I think this is the last time.
and wakes them up the
Go
same
for
way
it.
in the early
Now the
light.
heels.
They clap their hands and stamp their feet because they know how he plays. When someone gives him a beat, he really breaks it up. When he plays reveille, he's the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy company beat. Da 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 da
Brilliant. And rocks.
And the company jumps when he plays reveille. He's the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy of company B.
How did you get on? How did it go? Ooh, turn that off. Did you enjoy that? I hope so. You can replay this video anytime you like and rerun it as much as you like. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you so much to Bletchley Park for asking me, and enjoy the rest of your day, whatever you're up to today. It's a brilliant day. There's actually lots going on out there for you despite being in lockdown. So have fun, and I hope very much to see you soon. Bye bye.